Nehikhare don replace Emwanta for Ministry of Communication as Obaseki reshuffle cabinet and permanent secretaries. Governor Obaseki don approve cabinet reshuffle and rationalization of ministries, departments and agencies for inside Edo State. For one statement, Secretary to Edo State Government Osaodion Oge Esquire tok say Governor Obaseki don approve cabinet reshuffle on Wednesday for the weekly State Executive Council meeting. Oge tok say the rationalization of MDAs na sake of the small resources when they come from federal accounts, and this one no go fit sustain the current structure of government. Oge tok say this cabinet reshuffle and rationalization of MDAs don make some ministries join body with other ministries and redeployment of commissioners and permanent secretaries across different ministries, departments and agencies of government. Emwanta, when be the Commissioner of Communication and Orientation, go Ministry of Youth and Humanitarian Affairs, while Chris Nehikhare, when first the Youth and Humanitarian Affairs, go replace him as Commissioner for Communication and Orientation. Oge tok say Osase Malaka Emwanta go be Commissioner when go dey in charge of the new Office of Special Duties. The affected permanent secretaries now Osaigi Peters, where them carry comot for Ministry of Housing to Ministry of Youth and Gender Issues, while Felicia Edwards don tanda for Ministry of Public Security and Safety. Edionwe Joel, when the Ministry of Public Security and Safety before, go Ministry of Environment and Sustainability, while FA Sen of former Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning go Ministry of Business, Trade and Cooperatives. Others na Barbara Nekme Aluyi Osobajo, when the former Ministry of Social Development and Gender Issues go the Ministry of Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development. Ifwekwa Alufokai, when tanda for former Ministry of Youth and Humanitarian Affairs, go the Ministry of Social Development and Humanitarian Affairs, while Abioyiwa Naps from Ministry of Business, Trade and Cooperatives go the Ministry of Digital Economy, Science and Technology. Washiti Abe from Ministry of Transport, don carry waka go Local Government Pension Bureau, and Gilbert Egwakide for Ministry of Education don post go Ministry of Special Duties. Okoduga Brigita don go Information and Communication Technology Agency from former Ministry of Science and Technology. Oge Consti tok say for the new structure, Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning don join body with Ministry of Finance and don become Ministry of Finance, Budget, Economic Planning and Development, while the Ministry of Youth and Humanitarian Affairs don be Ministry of Youth and Gender Issues, and the former Ministry of Social Development and Gender Issues don be Social Development and Humanitarian Affairs. The Ministry of Science and Technology don be Ministry of Digital Economy, Science and Technology, while Ministry of Mining, Oil and Gas don join body with Ministry of Energy to become Ministry of Mining and Energy. Ministry of Trade, Industry and Cooperatives don become Ministry of Business, Trade and Cooperatives. Ministry of Housing don merge with Ministry of Physical Planning, Urban and Regional Development to become Ministry of Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development, while the Ministry of Local Government don join body with Ministry of Community and Chieftaincy Affairs to become Ministry of Local Government, Community and Chieftaincy Affairs. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget to your PVC and be your power. No tell them give any politician on election day.